Alrighty, folks, here we are again. This is another one that I see around on the internet. Um, this is what on my homepage I get all the reactors. And when you don't suggest and you guys don't, give me any clues or what you want to hear, this is where we go. We might go into jazz. Who knows? Depends on how many reactors are reacting to jazz. Um, but I see a lot of Disturbed, the sound of silence on there. Now, there's a lot of people that have done this. It's been covered a lot. So there's a lot of different variations, if we wanted to dive into Sounds of Silence. It's one of those songs, that get covered a lot. But anyway, let's see what Disturbed is going to give us here.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, wow, that is deep. Holy cow. Hello, dark. Man, that's like down there, what, F sharp? Man.
I've come to talk with you again because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence.
Now, I know you guys know this song. This is the part where it's going to start slowly picking up, like Dan did with Amazing Grace. We start really slow down the bass, and we slowly build up, to the crescendo. And, I know if you know Disturbed, he's going to go into that, grunge type, you know, singing, that Disturbed is good, known for. So the thing I want to see is how does he get there? How does he get from here to that sound in these few verses that we're going to go through?
And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and
Boy, that had a sweet tone to it. I mean, wow.
voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you, take my arms and I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell.
There we go. He's bringing that in now. He's letting you know that, okay, get ready, everyone. This is where we're going.
echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed.
See, yeah, brain. He's like, he's like revenge is coming out of him now. He's like pissed now, you know. Yeah, the time for nice, being nice and everything is over now. Now we're gonna get to business.
To the neon god they made, and the sign lashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, whisper in the sound of silence.
Very nice. I like it. Um, I like the ending part right there. The color got the yellowish gold going right there. Um, very fitting, by the way. That gold look fits the song. Um, yeah. So we're venturing, you know, in the channel here. We brought in some country. We got Dan Voss coming in. We threw in some Tommy Johansson, and now got some Disturbed going in, and yeah, we're expanding. You guys got again, you know, give me some suggestions, comments, and all that stuff on where you guys want to go, what you guys want to hear. You know, all genres is open, all music is open, wherever you want to go. But with that, guys, I got one more song coming up after this one. We will see you in that one.